In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung Smart TV to mobile phone hotspot. So by the end of this video, you should be able to stream content and access the internet on your Samsung Smart TV using your mobile phone hotspot. Now mind you, this is going to work for both Android phones and iPhones, and basically what you want to do first and foremost is to come over to your phone. Now go over to the settings of your phone. So just go ahead and open up the settings of your phone, and from the settings you want to go ahead and search for mobile hotspot, or just search for hotspot on the settings. You can also just scroll if you do not have the search bar. Now go ahead and click on portable hotspot on your mobile phone, and then you want to go ahead and click on set portable hotspot. Now over here you're going to see your hotspot name and your hotspot password. And once you've seen the hotspot name and password of your mobile phone, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the done button, and then you want to go ahead and make sure that your mobile phone hotspot is turned on over here. Now once it is turned on, you want to come over to your Samsung Smart TV now, and then you want to come over to the remote control of your Samsung Smart TV now. Now use the navigation buttons over here to just navigate horizontally to the left hand side until you get to the settings icon, which is this gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now from the settings, you just want to scroll down until you get to general over here. Click on general, and from general you want to scroll down to network. Click on network. Now scroll down to open network settings over here. Click on it. And now, because we are connecting to our mobile phone hotspot, which is a wireless network, we are going to go ahead and select wireless. And now your Samsung Smart TV should automatically start searching for all of the available Wi-Fi or hotspot devices it can actually connect to. And if your Samsung Smart TV is unable to find the name of your hotspot, which we have seen from our phone, you can just scroll down and then go ahead and click on refresh over here, and it will automatically start searching for available hotspots or Wi-Fi networks again. And you can see over here the name of my hotspot. So you want to go ahead and select the name of your hotspot once you find it, just like so. Now it is going to bring out this input field over here, and you just want to go ahead and enter the same password that we actually saw as the password of the hotspot of our mobile phone. Now go ahead and enter yours, and once you're done, you just want to scroll over to the right hand side and then go ahead and click on this done button over here. And this is just going to take a minute or two, and your Samsung Smart TV should automatically connect to your mobile phone hotspot. Now you can go ahead and just click on close, just like so. So basically, that is how to connect your Samsung Smart TV to your mobile phone hotspot. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.